Hey, John.
Yeah.
I want a divorce.
What?
I want a divorce.
Are you seriously want a divorce? But we just do the silly videos. We do it to each other. We both do it to each other. We both prank each other all the time.
It's always the same thing with you. You're never gonna change. I want a divorce. We're over. Nothing you do is gonna change my mind. Do you understand?
Okay.
What do you mean, okay?
Get out of my house now. You and I are over.
Oh, we will never be over. You are my man till death do us part. Do you understand me? Don't come at me and say that we're over. You don't even have any reason as to why we would be over. Because you are my what?
You're right.
You're my man.
I'm your man.
Till death do us part.
To death do us part.
Till death do us part.
Till death does us part.
Now, come on. Let's do it.
Use your head, my friend.